Right, it's Immobiliser fit. Today we fitted the Autowatch Ghost on this Range Rover Sport. So the way the system works, if you don't put your pin code in and start the car up, it will start up, but as soon as you select a gear, you'll see it stalls. So if you select a gear, car stalls out. So the way you actually start the car is ignition on, pop your push sequence in, 1, 2, 3, 4, and get double flash. Now put your foot on the brake and you can start the car and select your gear, and you see it won't stall out. So we can now drive the car. If the customer wanted to change the code, this is very simple. Ignition on, disarm the system, 1, 2, 3, 4. Get your double flash. Pull the full beam back all the way. Pop the code in again, get your double flash. Now release the full beam. So this car is now in learn mode. So if we just pop in a new code, say cancel, every time I press the button we'll get a flash. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll get a triple flash to confirm that. Now pop that code in again. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll get a double flash. That's the new code learned. So give it about 5 seconds, you can test that code, make sure it went in okay. So ignition on, new code, 1, 2, 3, 4, get your double flash. Now start it and select the gear. The system's disarmed. So once again, how it protects the vehicle is you've got to put in your push sequence to disarm it and drive it away. If you don't put your push sequence in, as you'll see, the car will start, select your gear, and you'll see it stalls. So to get one of these fitted in your vehicle, just give us a call. It's Emilio at Immobiliser Fit. Number to us is 0208 212 7393. And we can protect your vehicle. Thanks for watching.